7 AI skills you should learn this 2026. Don't miss this update. If you miss this update, you might not see it again. Now, if you come from Nigeria, we're in the aspect where people shout that there's no employment, there's no job, and every other thing. Jesus! But this is a very latest update of the 7 kind of AI you can learn and earn thousands of dollars per month. Don't miss out, because the 7th one is going to be the best one and it's very easier for you to learn. The first one is prompt engineering. And what is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is talking to AI by using text. That is prompt engineering. If you want to learn prompt engineering, these are the 3 AIs I will recommend for you. Number 1 is ChatGPT, number 2 is Gemini AI, and number 3 is Claude. If you can know these 3, I swear you can be earning in millions of dollars. So let's move to the second one. The second one is AI content creation. If you learn AI content creation now in Lagos, we have many companies that are demanding for AI content creators. So if you learn content creation, it's a very big advantage for you. And what is the work of content creation, AI content creation? AI content creation create posts, create blogs, and run ads in minutes. These are the AIs I will recommend for you if you want to learn content creation AI. Number 1 is Jasper, and number 2 is Copy AI, and number 3 is Notion AI. If you can learn these 3, you are good to go in the aspect of earning as a content creator using AI. So the third one is AI video creation. As you all know, it's very common on YouTube now. You can see AI videos is flying around. Marketers are using it to market their things. Companies are using it to market their products and every other thing. Content creators are using the AI. So if you learn AI video creation, it is going to give you a very high benefit. And these are the AIs I'm going to recommend for you. Number 1 is Pictori AI, number 2 is Runway, and number 3 is InVideo AI. Learn them and earn. Don't worry, if you like, don't give me I'm out of it. It's fine. I'm sure I'll give you updates. The fourth one is AI marketing automation. AI marketing automation is a bit complex, but if I assure you, you can't spend less than 1 month before you understand it. It is used for automating emails, automating ads, and follow-up. So these are the AI I'm going to recommend for you if you want to learn AI marketing automation. Number 1 is Hubspot AI, number 2 is Zapier AI, and number 3 is Active Campaign AI. Learn this and earn. So the 5th one is AI designs and creativity. You can learn AI designs and creativity, and with AI design and creativity you can create visuals without designing skill. And these are the AI I will recommend for you to learn. Number 1 is Canva, number 2 is Midjourney, and number 3 Adobe Firefly. And with this one you can grow authority on AIs. You can brand a company, and as you know, branding costs a lot. So if you can learn it, it's going to be an advantage for you. And these are the AIs I will recommend for you. Number 1 is Tapillo, number 2 is Suitis AI, and number 3 is shared analysis. The last but not the least, listen very carefully, is AI data and decision making. Child, if you like this one, I swear you have become Odogu. Nothing, forget, you have become Odogu. So AI data and decision making is used to create AI insights to make a smart move. And the AI I will be recommending, this is I'm talking slowly because this is the Odogu part of the AI. The AI I will be recommending is Google Insights AI, number 1. Power BI. BI. You know what they call BI? You don't know it. If you are working in an industry, you will understand what they call BI. Learn Power BI. And the third one, Tableau. So AI will not replace you. AI makes you better. The more you blend yourself to learn and understand these things, the more you become relevant. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button if this information is important to you. If you like, don't subscribe. Now you know, but don't forget to click on the subscribe button. I beg. Alright, take care of yourself. We are going to be seeing you in the next video.